Hey there, fellas. So right here I've got myself a car that's reliable, stout, and very durable. And here's what I plan to do to it. I'm actually looking to clad this car in a bit of armor, but not in the traditional way, as in find some thick metal and, I don't know, just weld it on. That'd be too trivial and boring now, wouldn't it? So instead, I'm going to turn this into an armored vehicle by cementing it. The idea is to weld on some formwork, get it at least somewhat... I don't think we'll be able to make an exact copy of the body shape, but we will get a sort of rough outline going. So yeah, some formwork, then we pour in the cement, some high-quality stuff. After that, we wait for it to cure, of course, and we put this armor through a bit of torture testing. As you might imagine, there are so many ways that we could do that. Anyway, let's cover the car with some cement and see whether it's able to hold its own. Let's do this. Pouring 7.5 tons of cement into an UAZ. Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. Okay, fellas, we've covered the UAZ with some plywood. Now it looks like some sort of... It's a crazy look for sure. And here's where we're at so far. You might remember from that episode when we made that G-Wagon that the ice turned out to be too much for the leaf springs to handle, forcing us to install some boxed steel to keep the body upright. So we're doing the exact same thing with this car. It's pretty much fully prepared, this thing. And right here we've decided to have some fun with the guys and do some drawing. To make this car at least somewhat resemble an UAZ. As always, this is going to be so much fun. Right, let's see what comes out of all of this. Alright fellas, we are looking good. We've cemented the car, and it sort of looks like something from Mad Max, though it's gonna be covered in cement instead of the usual steel. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss what's happening to it next. Go ahead and send us a few comments and suggestions, give us a thumbs up, and that's all I have for you. Catch you later.